Oh yeah, I can see it. That's rain. It's kind of hard to see from the phone, but that's actually rain. It's like all clear. And then you look there.
It says raining over there.
See, it's all clear over there. There's South Point way in the distance. And then, well, it's not really that far, but it's down there. And then you come over here, and then that's rain dropping over there. I don't know how far that is, but coming out of that dark cloud.
Might be over by Walmart.
It looks like it's nothing, but... Oh!
Did you get it?
Yes! Wow, that was cool. That was awesome. Wow. King 5? You mean Fox 5?
That was a big one.
Yeah, that was awesome. I know I want to close this down, but it's probably going to do it again. Anyways,
That was cool.
yeah, this is the time of year for this down here. Pretty cool things, but nice sunset over there. Beautiful, actually.
I'm going hot.
Yeah, it's hot. It's it got to 113 today, so I don't know. I think it's still about 100 at least. Okay, bye.